Folks, this is a short video of the finished oscillator. I have the SPDT spring pressure switch at the base of the coil that's against the wall. I doubled the levitator base magnets. I now have 4 ceramics on each end and 5 ring magnets on the axle, and 6 ceramics between the stators or the horseshoe magnet in the center. Both those coils will be connected in series, and the output will be directed through the switch at the base. And this is the action we're going to see. The center coil is connected to the axle, helps drive the oscillation along with the coil on the wall that pulses the end of the levitator rings. Okay, so that's it.